After my daily kitchen clean, I remove my towels and my dishcloths, and I just simply pop them into my bucket, which I keep in the laundry. I gather all my towels together and wash with soaker and stain remover. Once cleaned, I fold them up and get them ready to be put away. I put my dishcloths into a basket under the sink, and I do the same with my tea towels. Fold them and put them into a basket and place them back in under the sink. They are all easily accessible. The last thing I do is take out my clean dishcloths and also my clean tea towels. I hang them up in my kitchen for the day. I also find that having my clean tea towels and dishcloths under the sink is great. It means they're easy access and I can quickly put them out for the day.